In this video, I'm going to cover 3 account receivable issues and how to solve them. Invoice not received. Well, in this instance, you've already made contact with the customer or the debtor or the business. Forgive the business because emails do go missing and sometimes they fail to get actioned. Hang on. Before you send that invoice to the business, make sure you get the correct contact person and the manager's name so that way you know you got the correct information in your database, be it Xero, MYOB, or any other accounting software. Your debtor may say that your invoice is incorrect or it doesn't show the right information on it. So make sure that the item code, the item description, the item price, the item quantity, the discount applicable if there, and then the amount that's due, that's total, inclusive of GST or exclusive of GST. Make sure you read up on the tax rules before issuing an invoice. The last issue I want to cover is communication. Always communicate with debtors in a nice and polite manner like they are your customers. They are your bloodline for your business. So, in order to maintain good health, you have to make sure you exercise good judgment and patience with debtors. If they're not going and following up on their promises on their end, it's not your fault. Lead up with the collection agency, or alternatively, you can write off the bad debt and not deal with the customer again.